Next, we're going to talk about maintenance. Maintenance is really important. It's the amount of work we want the in-clear to do when no one is using the spa. To adjust it, we need to click and hold the program key for a few seconds. When you do, you're going to see the maintenance level being displayed. That number is 5 right now, but using the up and down, we can adjust it. We can adjust it between 1 and 50, 1 being the lowest maintenance and 50 being the highest. Most people keep it around 15, so let's put it there. Once it's set, you can confirm the selection by clicking Program. Then the second step of maintenance will actually happen. It's a salt test. The unit will check the water conductivity, or DDS level, to see if there's enough salt in the water. Right now we can see the result of the test. We are in the green zone. So there's enough sodium bromide or bromicharge in the water.